Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got home from work. Like, I'm literally still in my scrubs, looking a mess. I got like 10-hour makeup going on, like it's halfway worn off, the whole shebang. But y'all know when I come home and I got a package sitting in my front door, I'm coming to talk to you. So today, I just got my Boxy charm. But anyways, so if you watched my last video, it was my Ipsy box unboxing, which I did have a product that had leaked all on the inside of that, which was kind of gross. But if you didn't see the update at the end of the video, I did contact them via email and they are replacing my box. So it's going to be shipped out here soon to me, which is great. They weren't the most exciting products, but I mean, I can give them to somebody. That's fine. I've been waiting for this one. Boxy Charm is usually my favorite one. Both boxes are like 25 bucks, which if you do check the description down below, you'll see the link that you guys can go and order your own if you'd like it. But I pay like $25 a month for these things and I get incredible value of different makeup that I probably wouldn't have bought if I was just in the store. You know, I get to try a lot of different brands and just check it out and see if I like the product for $25, you guys. Like, that's super cheap. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we have in here. So they always come with these cards, and this is the Whimsy box. And let's see what we have inside. Okay, so we have the Storybook eyeshadow collection. It's the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics, and this is the Robin Hood collection. These are smaller, but they are so cute. Like, even if I'm not going to use this, they're so cute just to put up on your shelf, just to collect. I also have like their Wizardry one. They have like the Mean Girls Burn Book one. I still need to get that one. But this one is smaller though than the Wizardry one, but I don't care. It could be colors that look like freaking garbage, puke, whatever in here. But the packaging is just so cute, and I've been excited. I did hear somebody say that they got this. So when you open it up, it says, "Mirror, mirror, here I stand. Who's the fairest in the land?" Me, duh. But these are the colors right here. They're cute. Like, I don't know if I'd really wear them a whole lot. The Nottingham color I would definitely wear. But what I love about this is where I live at, my neighborhood is Sherwood from Robin Hood. And all the streets are named after the Robin Hood tales. Okay, so this is cute to me. I'm very excited. So this says it retails for $35. So this right here is $10 more than what I paid for this whole box. So that pays for it plus extra already. The next item that I got is Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleanser. You can never have too much brush cleanser. So this one retails for $12. Let's see if it has a scent. There is a scent. It just smells kind of herbally. Maybe. Yeah, it just smells clean. I have a really bad sense of smell, so I try and do my best for you guys. Okay, let's get rid of this. We don't need that in there. Next thing is we got the Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminator Blush. And this retails for $26. Let's take a look at this color here. Like, I'm a sucker for packaging, so it's already shiny and blingy, and it's cute. Look at that. All right. Oh, that is nice. Like, it doesn't look too bright. That's nice. Like, I'm definitely going to try this out and use it. So I did swatch it right there. So it's not something where it's like, bam, that's some pink, which that's what I like. I don't like it when it's crazy, crazy pink, because I just don't think I look good with bright pink cheeks. There's a lot of women that can't pull that off, and I am just not one of them. Let's see here. The next one is Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I don't really use a whole lot of facial oil, so this will probably be given away. This is $79. $79, you guys. Come on. Maybe I will use it. It's anti-aging, so hey. I'm all about anti-aging. Oh my god, and the packaging is so adorable. Let's smell it. Yeah, it definitely smells like roses. I don't know. I mean, winter is coming. I do get drier in the winter. I might save it for myself, and because this is a $79 product and I'm greedy. So maybe I'll save it and use it. Last but not least is, let's see here, Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit. This retails for $30. And once again, this packaging is cute. It's all scratched up though. What the heck? Can you guys see those scratches up here? This is definitely too light for me. If I can even get it open. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely not going to work for my brows. So it looks like you got the powder, you got some cream, like your pomade, to help stick it in place. And then, there we go. And this is just a clear gel. I mean, it looks nice other than the scratches in it, but hey, you know, whatever. And it does have like a little mirror up here so you can see yourself, you know, fixing your brows. I don't know about that yet. It says, style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit. Designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush. $30. I mean, I'll probably just, this will probably go in somebody else's. I mean, that middle shade I might be able to wear. But we'll see, you know, I don't know. I'm kind of greedy, and it's like, I always just want to test everything out, you know. But you guys, that is it from BoxyCharm. So like I said, if you are interested in getting some BoxyCharm, make sure you check the description down below. I also have my Ipsy link down there. Just click the link, sign up. You know, there's different packages you can get. I'm actually on the list for the Ultimate or Premium or Luxe box or something for BoxyCharm. So I can't wait. They're all different price points. You know, what I like about this is you do get full size, okay, with BoxyCharm. If you get the smaller one of the Ipsy, then you do get like sample sizes or like travel sizes. So far BoxyCharm has been way better than Ipsy for me. I'm still testing them both out. I mean, I've had good stuff from Ipsy, but I usually tend to like more of the BoxyCharm items. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for joining. Don't forget, please like, subscribe to my video, ring the bell so you get notified whenever I do upload a new video. And I will see you next time. Bye.